gentlemen, now for your entertainment, stand-up comic Jimmy! Wow, what a great audience. For my first joke, I'm gonna need a volunteer. Come on up here, Tim. Timmy, when I tell you to do something, you do it. Timmy, don't make me kick your ass. Timmy, put on your hat. Put it on.
Dude, this looks like it could get ugly.
Timmy? Not this year. Timmy.
Cripple fight!
Come on.
Timmy! Cripple fight!
Yes!
Attention shoppers, outside today we have Cripple fight. Cripple fight outside. Jesus Christ, dude!
Oh my God!
Just let him have it out, Susan. They'll run out of steam soon.
Timmy, I told you, put on the hat! You dirty motherfucker!